Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Charge the Aolon watch to at least 50% and turn it on so it broadcasts. On your phone, install the Aolon app and grant Bluetooth and location permissions because the app scans for devices. Once done, open Bluetooth on the phone and keep the phone within 2 meters of the watch to ensure a stable signal. This reduces pairing failures and speeds discovery. Now tap Add Device in the app to start the pairing sequence. You continue by selecting the Aolon model that appears in the app's device list. Models are identified by name or MAC fragment. When the pairing request appears, compare the numeric code displayed on the watch to the code on your phone and tap Confirm. This prevents accidental connections. After pairing, let the app request syncing permissions for notifications, contacts, and health data. Allow them to enable full functionality. Make sure sync finishes before closing the app so settings persist. You finish by completing your profile in the Aolon app and enabling the notification and health tracking options you want. This customizes alerts and data flow. If pairing fails, reboot both the phone and the watch, then retry pairing to clear temporary faults. If problems persist, clear the phone's Bluetooth cache or uninstall/reinstall the app and remove any old Aolon entries from Bluetooth settings before repairing. These steps resolve most stubborn connection issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.